Welcome to Tech Editing Tips Tuesday. I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and I'll be coming to you throughout the summer with crochet design tips to help you craft perfect patterns every time. Today we're going to talk about consistency. Now, when you're writing a pattern, it's really important that you are consistent. You need to be consistent not just throughout a pattern. So if you use one way of explaining something at the beginning, it needs to be the same throughout. If you have spaces between the numbers and the stitches, then you need to have that all the way through. If you say put chain at the beginning, chain 12, you can't then say 12 chain later on. You need to keep it the same throughout, and you also need to keep it the same throughout all of your patterns so that you have the same layout, the same formatting, so your users know your style and they know where to look for things. So yes, be consistent. See you again next week.